Hey everybody, Michael here with Johnny Appleseed Organic, and today I'm standing next to this olive tree because I'm going to harvest some leaves to make olive leaf tea. Olive leaf tea is very good for you. It is anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial. It helps to ward off against viruses, which I know is a cause for concern these days, and it supports a healthy immune system. When you harvest olive leaves, you're going to want to make sure that there's no morning dew on the tree or that it's not wet by any means. When a tree is wet, you can transmit disease from one tree to another, and it's not good for the tree to harvest like that. So if the tree is dry and you have a clean, disinfected tool, you go to the tree, and I like to harvest and prune at the same time. I don't want to take limbs that I may just want to keep in the future, so I chose to harvest branches that look like they're crossing over another branch that may become a nuisance in the future. So I harvest those crossing branches and disinfect between each tree that you harvest from. Once you have all the leaves that you want harvested, I check them to make sure there's no bird poop or anything on it. Just make sure they're clean. If you need to, rinse them off. But if you know they look clean, I just slide my hand right down the stem and it pulls the leaves right off. After you've done that to all of your branches, just place those leaves on your dehydrator tray and stick it in the dehydrator. And I dehydrated mine at 120 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 hours. If you find these videos useful and want to support what we're doing at the Johnny Appleseed Organic Village, check out Climate Guard, our no-kill, eco-conscious organic fertilizer made with ethically sourced ingredients. Visit johnnyappleseed.com or check the link in the video description to learn more. Thank you. Your support really does help. And now, back to the video. Once your olive leaves have finished dehydrating, just take them and crunch them up with your hands and break them apart so that you get smaller particles for the water to have more of a surface area to get all of those awesome nutrients in it. From there, heat up your water, and I used a little tea strainer, scooped up some olive leaves, and just stuck it in my teacup. Poured the hot water over and let it steep for 3 minutes. So here's the finished tea. You can see that nice yellow color that it's made. Let's give it a try. It's very smooth, rich, almost like it could be in a soup or something, like a soup broth. It's very nice flavor. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please check us out on all the social media channels and subscribe to our YouTube. Thank you so much.